Applying materials is easy with SmartWand. Materials are applied in a 3D view. From the material or color libraries, select what you would like to apply. Drag it onto a surface, and SmartWand gives you an option to apply only to a specific surface. But you'll see that you also have the option to apply to all similar surfaces in the drawing or in a particular room. This works the same whether you're applying colors or materials from the default library, user library, downloaded content, or your favorites list. We'll switch to another material, and you'll see that applying a material to a wall, like this brick, gives you an option to apply brick to the entire exterior. Notice it did not change the brick wainscot on the front of the garage because the wainscot is a separate surface. This allows us to do things like paint the exterior, but not affect the trim. From the inside of the house, you can also use SmartWand to apply trim. So let's apply crown trim in the plan. Drag and drop onto a wall surface. We can choose in the great room or in the entire structure. Let's put crown trim throughout the whole house. To find the name of a material already in the drawing, click the Find Applied tool, and then just click with the eyedropper on a surface, and it finds the material or color. Now I can apply that color to all of the trim in the design. Notice it did not affect the doors. The doors are separate. Apply it to the doors, and we'll choose all door trim in this structure. Simply find a new material that you'd like to apply. Drag and drop into a room and onto a surface. The names of the rooms in the SmartWand menu are defined in 2D and can be changed by selecting the room in the plan view and changing the displayed name on the Properties tab. Apply this wallpaper throughout the entire house.